Now, a participial phrase is a phrase that begins with a participle. A participial phrase can either be the ing participial phrase or the ed participial phrase. That is why the title is the participial phrases. Now, the participle has to be non-finite because we have cases where it can be finite. In that case, we won't call it the participial phrase. It will be part of the verb phrase. So it is important that we do not confuse the participial phrase with verb phrase, for example. Now, what actually is the basic function of a participial phrase? The participial phrase functions majorly as a post modifier of the head of the noun phrase. That is what the participial phrase functions as majorly. Now let's take examples to illustrate what we're saying. Example 1 is a lecturer. Alright. Our participial phrase is answering a call. Answering a call. Now, if you take a look at this sentence, from this point to this point actually is a noun phrase. But we're taking off from here. Answering is the ing participle. And so since it's signaling or is beginning the expression answering a call, that expression answering a call becomes a participial phrase. To be precise, an ing participial phrase, beginning from this point and ending at this point. Now, what is the function? The ing participial phrase actually qualifies or describes, it qualifies or describes the noun man. So the grammatical name is participial phrase. Function, it qualifies the noun man. It's as simple as that. But you want to take note of this, that the participial phrase answering a call is made up of the participle answering and a noun phrase, a call. So after the word answering, you also have other elements coming up after the participle itself, answering. That can either be object of the participle, or in some cases, some scholars would say qualifies answering, but a noun phrase usually doesn't qualify. So it is actually more of the object of answering or the completive element of the phrase or the participial phrase answering the call. So in that sentence one, the man answering the call is a lecturer. We have answering the call performing the function of an adjective. Take note. It also means that it's performing the function of an adjective, telling us about man. The man is a lecturer. Which man? The man answering a